Welcome to the channel. I went by the high rating for this lens. I was able to buy a copy for not too expensive. The macro function can be set very quickly, but here, the extra large angle of 24 millimeters is a bit too much to be able to achieve surprising bokeh effects. Perhaps a 35 millimeter lens that lets you get very close to the subject is still the best option. This lens is very sharp and delivers the quality that is so appreciated by many. I hope to get into the circumstances where a wide view requires a wide-angle lens to capture as much of the environment as possible.